Sharing is caring. I got 2 oyster mushroom grow kits from my friend, YouTuber Random Person 101. Thank you, Random Person 101. Please check Random Person 101 YouTube channel, link in the description to the video. There are instructions on the box explaining what to do. Okay, let's follow the instructions and open the box. Here is a spray bottle, some pliers and a bag filled with some substrate. The bag is sealed but has a patch allowing air circulation. Cut a window on the front side of the box as indicated. Place the bag with substrate inside of the box. Cut the bag through the window in the shape of cross. Pull the bag out of the box. Place the bag with the cut facing down into a basin filled with water. Let it sit overnight to soak substrate with water. The next morning I pull the bag out of the water. Put the bag inside of the box. Make sure the cross cut in the bag is facing the window in the box. February 14, 2019. All set. I spray the cut with tap water 2 times a day, once every morning, once every night. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Day 8. Edge of old mushrooms points up or get cracked. It's better to harvest mushrooms before they get old. Old mushrooms drop spores. Here you can see spores as dust. One can collect spores to regrow mushrooms. Hold the grown mushrooms at the base. Twist and pull at the same time to harvest your mushrooms. Wash, cook and enjoy them. Have fun and happy garden!